Okay, so we're talking about warranty on metal buildings. This is probably the most important thing as a customer that you need to spend time researching and asking your potential suppliers about. So warranty has become something of a bit confusing in the industry. So you'll see 20-year warranty on a website, or they'll make reference to a 20-year warranty or 10-year warranty. Most of those are A, on materials, and B, it's only a very specific part. So the 20-year warranty, for instance, which is pretty standard, it's actually a 20-year metal that's used. That really is referred to the color coating on the metal, and that is warranting that color coating not to flake or chip for 20 years. And actually that warranty is voided if it touches the ground, if it gets water on it, like sprinkler systems, or if it touches animals. So really what that number is used for how long that color is gonna last on the building. I've been in this business a little while. I've never seen one of those warranties used, not because the company doesn't honor them, because it doesn't happen. You don't see the metal flaking off and chipping, but it is a good proxy of quality. So we use 40-year metal. That warranty and the color fasting is a 40-year metal versus 20, but don't really take a lot of stock in that larger number, even from us, because that's really not what's going to be important to you as a customer. The workmanship warranty is what's going to be important. That's whoever you bought your building from, they're warranting their work, the materials, but also the installation of that work. That is critical. Unfortunately, those have dropped. People have just put that 20 number out there. The number out there right now, it used to be 1 to 2 years is pretty standard. Right now, 90 days is pretty standard. So 90 days is not a long period of time for a $10,000, $20,000 building. And really there's two things you need to be concerned about. Even in the 90-day warranty is what does it cover? One of my major competitors, I was looking at their warranty the other day. It was a 90-day warranty, which can be fine if you're okay with that. And it only covered leaking. So leaking for 90 days, first of all, it has to rain for you to determine if it's gonna leak. Second of all, that doesn't determine, is the metal put on correctly? Is it lined up straight? Is the building swaying at all? Is it stable? Is it becoming leaking? Is one very specific element of the workmanship. So really that's a very tiny portion of what could go wrong, and only for 90 days. At Lelands Metal, we run a 3-year workmanship warranty that doesn't have any exclusions like that. It's on the workmanship of the building. The second piece is some of the materials have their own warranty, the tubing, the metal, those are important, but really the workmanship is what you need to pay the most attention to as you're out shopping for your building.